Hello, this is Deborah Hardman, owner of Nature's Healing. Today we are going to talk about Tangerine Vitality line. Oh my gosh, is this a great one. It's one of the sweetest flavors of all of our citrus vitality oils, bringing complete citrus notes to savory dishes and desserts. Tangerine Vitality Essential Oil is a bright, tangy addition in the kitchen when you want to give your recipes an extra kick of something unexpected. Try reaching for the Tangerine Vitality. More than just another citrus essential oil, Tangerine Vitality Oil includes naturally occurring limonene and is an important ingredient in the citrus fresh, the joy oil, inner child, the peace and calming, the NingXia Red, Slique Essence, and the Super C. And every one of those I own and take regularly. Also, I love the tangerine when you can just put it in water to give it that flavor if you love just having tangerine. Or when I love in the summertime when you can create a fruit dish, put coconut sprinkles on. I put the Tangerine Vitality line in there and it tastes so good. Or you can even make, if you don't want lemonade, you make tangerine using tangerine and some other sweet citrus stuff in order to add flavor for the summer treat for the summertime. So those are so many different ways I've done the tangerine. And if you have any questions about it, feel free to comment below, like the video, and share it with your family and friends. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.